Princess Cruises is raising prices again, but this time they're sweetening the deal. Whether it's enough to keep cruisers happy, that's where the debate begins. Starting July 22nd, Princess Cruises is revamping its popular Premier and Plus packages, adding some new perks, removing underused ones, and increasing the daily cost. It's all for sailings in 2026 and beyond. Let's break it down. The Premier package is going up to $100 per person per day, or $105 if you're on the newer Sphere-class ships like Sun Princess. What do you get for that? Unlimited drinks and dining, 4-device Wi-Fi, reserved theatre seating, and now up to $300 in shore excursion credits, depending on your cruise length. Meanwhile, the Plus package jumps to $65 per day or $70 on Sphere class, and now includes 4 casual dining meals per voyage, up from 2. The drink package, Wi-Fi for 1 device, room service, and daily gratuities are still part of the deal. But to make room for the upgrades, Princess is cutting a few perks that weren't being used, things like medallion shipping, fitness classes, premium desserts, and juice bars. The cruise line insists this is all based on guest feedback. Their VP of Onboard Revenue, Alfredo Jimenez, said the updates aim to give travelers more flexibility, better food, and more chances to explore on shore without nickel and diming you mid-voyage. Now, here's the question. Is it a real value? Princess claims these packages still save you 50 to 70% compared to buying everything separately. And honestly, for some cruisers, the shore excursion credit alone could make up the cost, but not everyone's convinced. The timing of this price hike paired with the removal of a few perks has sparked mixed reactions. Some say it's a clear upgrade, others feel they're paying more for what used to be included. Is Princess really putting guests first, or just putting a prettier bow on a price increase? Would you still buy the package at the new rates? Sound off in the comments.